Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing a bustier pattern. There are various ways to do the bustier pattern. I'll be taking one now. I will do another video for second type of bustier pattern. So the first thing we'll be doing is taking our linear measurements. What are linear measurements? That's our shoulder to bust, shoulder to under bust, shoulder to half length. So this is my shoulder line. Our shoulder to bust. So the first measurement I'll be measuring for my shoulder line will be my armhole measurement. Armhole 15 divided by 2, 7.5. 7.5. Shoulder to bust, 9. Shoulder to under bust, 12. And shoulder to half length, 14.5. So on my shoulder, I'll be fixing my shoulder length or back length. Shoulder 13. So I'll be dividing it by 2. That's 6.5. 6.5. I'll measure it here also. 6.5. To get a straight line, I'll be using a pencil. Next, we'll be getting our bust span or nipple to nipple, depends on what you call it. For bust span 7, using 3.5. That's 7 divided by 2. That's 3.5. So I'll be measuring it a straight line from my bust point to my half length. 3.5. So when making a bustier pattern, the first thing we do was tightening our under bust. So I'll be using 2 inches to tighten our under bust. 2 inch. And here I'll use 1.5. 1.5. So the next thing to do is to draw out the cup shape or the breast shape. So I want to input my waist measurement now. So for the original waist is 28. 28 divided by 4, that is 7. But you remember we have 1.5 here that will be removed when we cut out this pattern. So you are going to add that 1.5 to 7 inches, which will give me what? 8.5. So that's what I'll be measuring now. 8.5. So this is my waist, 8.5. So by the time the bustier has been taken in, my waist will go back to what? 7 inches. 7 inch. So this is what we call a bustier. This is the aspect of bustier. So you can now decide that, okay, do you want it with a shoulder dart or an armhole dart, whatever you decide, or whatever outfit the client brings. So bustier doesn't have to be with just a armhole dart. No, you can use different type of dart with a bustier pattern. So I'll be using a shoulder dart for this. Maybe the next one I'll do, I might use hammer dart with it. So for this, I'll be using what? A shoulder dart. For the shoulder dart, I have a video of it in my channel. So I will drop the link in the description box. So you can also watch it and learn how I did my shoulder dart. The next thing I'll be doing is placing my bust measurement. Bust 36, that's 9 inches. 6 divided by 9 by 4. 36 divided by 4, that's 9 inches. So this is my bust. When joining your waist to your bust line, it's possible you don't get a cuff line like this. It's possible your line is straight. It's possible it's inverted. Do not bother. It will get back into shape after sewing. So that's all. This is our bustier pattern. So I used a marker for it to be bold, to be seen clearly. So when you are doing yours at home, use a pencil, please, so it won't add excess measurement to the pattern. So I want to show you how to use your front pattern to cut your back pattern. So first thing I'll be doing, this is my front pattern, my center front. I want to use to cut my center back. So you should know my center back will have what will have the zip allowance. That is where I'll be fixing my zip. So I'll be using 1 inch for my zip allowance. Okay, so I could decide also that I want my back neck to be as low as my front neck, or I want a higher back neck. So I've chopped my neck already, so it's higher than the front neck. So next thing I'll do is just to cut it out. This is my center front, this is my center back. Now I want to cut my sides. This is my side. I'll remove the pattern so you can see it clearly. So this place has a cut for the breast. So all I do is just match up from here. And also use your ruler in case you are not sure of what you are ruling. So just be straight. So I do this sometimes when I'm lazy to do a pattern. So, but you can also just do your back pattern to save yourself the stress. But for times when you know that you've not done your back pattern and you're in a hurry, you can just do this to still come out perfect. This is my side front, while this is my side for the back. That's all. Alright guys, I hope this video has been useful for you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.